This is a bug, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see he could walk. Where is he? He could walk, he could run. Yeah, he off for the races. This is my scary son. CJ. Okay, I'm gonna flip the bug upside down. Pick up that bug. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick up the bug. Hold it. You better not let it go. You better not let it go. Don't let that bug go. What's wrong with you? Put the bug down. Go and call baby. Baby? She just snitch. I am. Baby, come out. Baby? Baby, come out. Come out. Baby. What's wrong with you? You don't want to play at the bug? No. Come on. Come on in the living room. Come on. Go. Go. Stop. Is you a big boy? Hey, Boosie, open the door. You a big boy? Pick up the bug. Pick up the bug. Pick up the bug. Hey, pick it up. Pick it up. Pick up the bug. Pick it up. It's right there. It's right there. Is you gonna be a good boy? You gonna be a good boy? Go get daddy the bug. Get it for daddy, please. Pick it up. There you go. There you go. There you go. Pick it up. Pick it up, baby. Pick it up. Kill it. Step on it. He bang happy. Go kill it, baby. Hold up. Come on. Look, kill him, baby. He gone. Kill him, baby. Kill him. All right, now pick it up. Pick it up.
Oh, man.
No, okay. It's dead. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Dead, baby.
I'm gonna say it here. 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 No, put it in your hand. Put it in your hand. Come on. Ready? Go get your scary stuff in the room.